Hello, good morning guys. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a numeric based converter using Python. Using some program lines, we can create a number converter from decimal numeric base to binary base, octal base or hexadecimal base. First of all, open a Python compiler. You can be installed on your computer or you can be used online. To be faster, I'm going to paste the code here. Take care to work correctly. Beware of the indentation of the code used. And also look carefully to the code structure. Number 1, to convert to binary. Number 2, to convert to octal. And number 3 is to convert to hexadecimal. Finally, let's go the test. Number 20 to convert to binary, it's equal to 10,100 and binary base. Number 32 to convert to octal is equal to 40 and octal base. And number 82 to convert to hexadecimal is equal to 52 in hexadecimal base. Then do the calculations to check if the conversion is correct. The advantage is that you can convert very large numbers. Be careful not to use an invalid conversion options, such as 5, as this will not work. Well, that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed. See you next time.